Hastings Air Energy Control, celebrating 50 years in business.
We are a family business. There's been a great balance amongst the five of us.
In our logo, it states that we create a much cleaner workplace, and we do it through innovation.
When I see what my boys have done with this business, it makes me very proud.
There's a value put on clean air within a manufacturing facility, and that value can be at the employee level, but it can also be at the ownership level, where they're saving money. Our largest clients include Oshkosh Corporation, Kohler Company, 3M, John Deere, Mercury Marine, and many more. Years ago, we would walk into a facility to see a terrible condition, horrible as far as the air was concerned. Through the innovation and the use of our products, we're able to clean up the facilities. And it takes the fume into this. It's an engineered look at it. It's not something out of a catalog that a company might buy. We engineer the system.
The company created IVEC in the late 2000s. IVEC is a filtration system that's very intuitive. We have a saying, save energy, save money. IVEC is saving on energy because the system's not running all the time. It's only running on demand or when it needs to. We won an award and were presented in 2018 with Business Friend of the Environment Award based on our technology and innovation to save energy. It was a culmination of everything coming together that we all worked so hard to achieve.
There are a lot of people that sell filtration equipment, but very few put automation into their system. It's truly what sets us apart. On our website, we show a rolling total of savings that our clients have obtained through the purchase of our systems. The numbers are staggering. I would not have believed it 10 years ago. We're just in the middle of doing a project for a client in St. Louis, and the president was here, and he said, your entire business is different, your model is different. But what makes me really excited about is what I get to do for my employees. My employees have dealt with this dirt and grime for many, many years, and I just can't wait to get in front of them and tell them what we've decided to do and how we're going to make their lives change.
When we were kids, we really learned about good service from our dad. We would sleep with one eye open, actually. When my dad got home, we knew we were going to work.
The company came into being in '69 when I purchased a larger company and merged the two of them together. About that time, we found the necessity for clean air in the bars, and because of our acquaintance in all the bars, we started installing air cleaning equipment for the cigarette smoking bars. These boys always worked for me. They didn't have any other jobs. There was plenty of work in our family to keep them all busy.
When somebody needed something to repair, I was out the door. We were all out the door. We were all as a group. We all worked hard together.
It all starts with a team captain, right? That was Mom, that was my wife, because she was the rock that held everything together.
We say the fire department, you guys are on for 24 hours, we're on for 24 hours. We will service you.
Believe it or not, I still answer the phone 24/7.
We've always reinvested what we've made in the business. To create new and better products, we had to take a risk. We had to invest the money that we had, and we wouldn't put it in the bank or invest it in boats or in a land for ourselves personally. We would invest it back in the business and the people that worked with us.
Success is no accident. And this is what you see here. A successful group of young men.
I had a question. This is a good time to ask for a raise. Since I got everybody here.
Hastings Air Energy Control is celebrating 50 years in business.
I'm looking forward to the next 50.